welcome to this new video. This time the video will be in English because of some users ask me all the time if I can make a video in English. So what I'm going to show you today is how to deploy Chrome over the network, or over the internal network. Then from the server, you download the Google Chrome Enterprise and then you deploy to all machines. So I'm going to show you what I did with the PowerShell script, and plus I'm telling you, I know already there is tools like Microsoft Intune, Microsoft SCCM, Intune, etc. You can achieve the same result, but this one is free. So for a small infrastructure could be fine in my opinion, without to spend any money. I know maybe you can think if you can do it with GPO, yes you can, but the only difference is here all the time the script I'm going to check on Google the last release of Chrome. Via GPO you cannot do that. So let's have a look at what I did. So this one is Windows 11 and this is my Windows Server. This is my Chrome. Then I'm going to open help about Chrome and the version is 1.2.5, the last one. So I'm going to remove programs, Chrome, and I'm going to set up to run the previous version. I think it's 1.1.7. Illustrator, password admin 123, the most admin 123. Admin, whoops, the username is wrong. Illustrator, admin 123. Okay. Now at this point I'm going to run the version 1.1.7, yes. Then have a look at what's going on. Okay. Now, after the installation, I'm going to disconnect the network of this VM. I'm going to show you then it's actually 1.1.7 for real. So like this, we are sure 100% is the old version. Okay, just to give a moment. Right. Let me disconnect. Open. Okay, well, once it's open, help about Chrome. You see, it's the old version, 1.1.7. Perfect. We can leave even open this one, it doesn't matter really. Admin 123 on the server. I'm going to open PowerShell. It's this one. Now, going to open my script. By the way, you will find the script on the video description. So, Chrome version 1. You see here, this is the URL of Google, where all the time he download the template, where the script all the time download the new Chrome. This is the path where the Chrome actually will be saved, in this case on my hard drive E, and the folder temp, and the Google Chrome standalone enterprise 64 bits, of course in English. And then the rest of the script, if you want, you can check by yourself. So it's very easy. Then we run the script. Now, as you can see, it's starting downloading the file. Once it's finished, the script will check which computer are in your network. you can see probably one error now, because you see crazy-local-pc is not reachable. Instead, the crazy-pc, then it's this machine, it's reachable. You say, sorry, unreachable, because I forgot to give the connection back. Sorry. So anyway, run again the script. Download again, because in the script I didn't put the command to check if it's already there. So all the time you run the script, you go on Google and check and download the version. But if you can integrate on the PowerShell, you can integrate by saying, okay, check the version. If it's the last one, don't take from internet. So this one is unreachable. The first one is here, unreachable, because it's off. Now, this computer instead should be reachable, and if so, I will receive a message by, say, Chrome has been updated, and here we will pop up a message, then say after 15 minutes, Google Chrome will be relaunched. Ok, this is done. Chrome si avvierà automaticamente in 15 minuti per completare l'aggiornamento. In other words, Chrome will reboot automatically in 15 minutes for the update. That's all. Now, close even this one. Open again. Let's have a look. Plus, I'm not sure, or at least in my computer, run in this way. I mean, Chrome is not taking the last version by automatically and relaunch, restart Chrome, or updates automatically. In my computer, it doesn't work like this. In this case, instead, it's everything made by the script. In fact, the last version is 1.2.5. That's all. You can, if you want, I can give you some idea eventually, but you can integrate the script under here, group, under group policy, for example. You can create a policy, then, time to time you can run this, for example, once a day, once a week. So run the script, check the last version, if present or if new, send the update to the machine. This one, it could be, how can I say, easy if you have a lot of machine. And plus, imagine you have like 3,000 computers at the office, all computer at the same time or time to time, they're starting to downloading from internet the updates. Of course, it depends what kind of internet you have. If you have 10G of internet, you probably don't care. But if you have not so powerful line, maybe make a difference. In this case, will be deployed via LAN, so you don't have any internet cost. Thank you for watching. Tell me about your experience. If you did some kind of setup in different way, then I'm very open to know the opinion of the people. And see you in the next video.